Welcome to Teacher Helen's virtual classroom. Our topic for today is definition of the concepts of journalism and journalist. Before we move on, let's have a review on our past lesson. What is journalism? Journalism is the activity or product of journalists or others engaged in the preparation of written, visual, or audio material intended for dissemination through public media with reference to factual and ongoing events of public concerns. Journalism is the business of news gathering and reporting. Journalism is the craft of conveying news, descriptive material, and opinion through a wide spectrum of media. It is argued that even social media can be considered a form of journalism. What are the duties of journalism and journalists? Spreaders of information, witness to history, watchdog of society, forum of ideas are the duties of journalism and journalists. Let's proceed to Activity 2. Direction. Name the following journalists and tell their greatest contribution in the field of journalism. What is a journalist? Journalists work in the field of journalism. Journalist is a person who writes for a newspaper or magazines or prepares news and features to be broadcast on radio or television. Journalists are the reporters, editors, writers, photographers, producers, and camera crews who sift through the many happenings of a day to give important information about an issue or event. Roles of a journalist. The work or job of a journalist to his or her community. Reporting duties. Journalist educates the people about issues and events and how they affect their lives. Working with people. Journalists spend much of their time interviewing expert sources. Legal responsibility. Journalists must follow the law. And now, let's proceed to Activity 3. Analyze, apply, and share. Direction. Identify the roles of journalists in the society. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is incorrect. Number 1. A journalist's first obligation is to seek for the truth. Number 2. Journalists should not provide the right news to people. Number 3. Journalist is expected to be the watchdog of society and to inform the public. Number 4. The role of a journalist is to facilitate freedom or democracy. Number 5. A journalist must choose their sources, patiently seek out the truth. Number 6. Fake news is to be avoided and be corrected by a journalist. Number 7. Journalists should spread fake news to the community. Number 8. A journalist must understand and follow the law. Number 9. A journalist teaches and helps people to understand big issues. And number 10. A journalist's role to the community is to give wrong information. The answer for Activity 3, Analyze, Apply, and Share, are the following. Activity 4. Put me in. Direction. As a journalist, classify your different duties in the community, then put them in their proper column. Here are the choices. Gather correct facts before writing a news. Choose the best source of news. Must follow the right or honest principle of writing news and its laws. Understand laws that apply to journalism to avoid illegal acts. Deliver a report to the public through printed and non-printed materials. Follow the law of privacy and secrecy to protect the sources. Know the rules and code of ethics to present a well-balanced explanation. Help the community interpret issues on the learning modalities. Share insight about the issues on the West Philippine Sea dispute between Philippines and China. Influence the understanding of the people to support community projects. Put on the right column the correct answers. And here are the answers for the Activity 4. The first column is reporting duties, working with people. The answers are the following. Gather correct facts before writing a news correctly. Choose the best source of news. Deliver report to the public through printed and non-printed materials. Here are the legal duties. Must follow the right or honest principle of writing news and its laws. Understand laws that apply to journalism to avoid illegal acts. And the last one is, follow the law of privacy and secrecy to protect the sources. That ends our lesson, and thank you for watching!